stack development, where should I begin? Any tips?
You just go for full stack development. Okay. First thing about full stack development is combining front end and back end and some APIs and database integration. This is how the full stack development is born. The for full stack development, where you get started, you just even started in YouTube. There is a YouTube channel called Free Code Camp, right? I know. I think you should know this. Free Code Camp, Tamil Hacks in the Tamil Hacks website that I love personally from the beginning of my career. I just learned from Tamil Hacks because this is the best YouTube channels that I follow. And Free Code Camp is an international YouTube channel which I love to express myself. Like I just learned everything like big databases, APIs, and other kind of stuffs. I just learned from advanced thing. I just learned from the Free Code Camp, the YouTube channel. You please may note this up. Free Code Camp, and the basic stuff I was learned from this Tamil Hacks. And there are major content creators nowadays because they are teaching web development and other type of things. And this is the next thing is most underrated one, but this is going to save you a lot of time, which is an AI. If you go for ChatGPT and asking that how should I learn about full stack development, it may give you a glimpse of text like it will say a simple thing about how do you go for front end, how do you go for back end. And next user you can involve in the chat and ask about how the front end need to be done or how the back end need to be done. It will give you the code and perspective about how to learn this. So the thing is, if we want to update ourselves in in this world nowadays, like if you're going to read a software or if you're going to build a hardware, you just going to there is lot of platforms. Like the major platform I prefer is YouTube, and you just need some core content about the topic. Is topic means you just go for Udemy, I think so, Udemy. And also the Coursera is also having a subscription model, like the whole courses you just for the whole courses you just have to pay something like 2 or 300 rupees with the aid, financial aid. For course are also having a financial aid opportunity. You just go and apply for them and you just access their entire courses like 300 or 400 rupees. This is how I learn. So and the recent times I was learning from the AI like ChatGPT and open the other type of perplexity like AIs. So the three things I personally learn is YouTube channel, the Udemy, Coursera, another type of tech platform, and AI. These are the three things I was learning the courses like both hardware and software. Mm, any other questions? Hello, hello. Mm. The first initial step to have a startup is like I think like you just have to find an idea first. What is the idea that you going to be done? I think that the web development and the app development has already been there, and I'm just doing this as a freelance job. But this is not a startup, I think. Like startup and I you should know the difference between a startup and a business. Startup is a thing which is have an innovative idea and the innovative business model that's thing like new to the business. You just find like SpaceX or some Tesla. These are the new business models and freemium model. These are the nowadays model business model. So startup is like inventing something and making business of it, and the business is something like already it's been there and you are going to do that. For me, I just the web development and app development is like it's already been there, and I just picking up them and making some money with that. For a startup, I just read some books and some courses I just watched, and the people I talked, they are always everyone as mentioning that if you want to be have a startup, you just have to find first an idea where to be, and you just don't love your idea first. Um, you just have to pick a problem first. Idea is in the means equal to the problem. You just have to pick a problem, major problem. If you solve a small problem, you can be a $1 million company. But if you solve a big problem, then you're going to be a $1 billion company. That's how the simple math will be working. So for the conclusion I give for the startup is you just have to pick a problem first. What is the problem I'm going to be solving for this? So how much time should I take this to fill this problem? uh, you have to analyze the problem. You say if anyone is doing this already, so how should I overwork to do this thing to figure out this. So this is how you can find a startup idea. You can basically find a startup idea from your home. Like if you're morning, if you're getting up to, you're going for the college and you're returning back to the bus, you just have a lot of ideas in your street corner or something. You just find a lot of problems in there. You just have to pick one, and you just have to be lot to be motivated and interested to pick a problem and work on that, because everything seems at first everything don't seems like very well, but after going that you will be evolved. So this is how you should find a startup idea, the problem you have to pick. Any other questions?
The Poland and ethical
Hello,
இதோட hello கேக்குதா?
hello, guys, is there
Yes, the tax சொல்லிருச்சு.
anyone,
ஏய் ஆல்ரெடி
anyone?
11 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு மேல போயிடுச்சு.
Hello.
அப்பனா ஓகே. ஓகே சரி ஓகே மியா சரி கேளு
Ah,
கேளு கேளு.
சொல்லு.